Esther Nzakwa akuire mweri wa kanana mwaka-ini wa 2004 ari na ukuru wa miaka 93 indi mihango ya kumuthika githarara kuumana na ngucanio cia mugunda indi riu ni athikitwo mugunda-ini wa muruwe kuona thina uyu nduri wathira. Andu a nyumba ya mutigaire mamutarire ta mutumia werutire kumarera na njira ya gwitungumania kunene hamwe na kuruga mitugo yao nduri urehete umithio miturire-ini yao.
She was so good a lady, disciplined, a lady of high caliber, lady who could help the youth, the young ladies in the church. So in a nutshell, vis-a-vis, she was excellent mama. Today is when we are burying our beloved mother, who has been in mortuary for 17 years. And I thank all those who have assisted us, at least to bring her home. And I think most of us now, most of our siblings, we now feel a bit relieved.
Family no irauga guthika mwiri wa mwendwa wao ni ukumahumura na njira nene indi ni magomeirwo ni uritu munene amu kuri na biro ya milioni 3 kuria mwiri wake uraigwitwo ihinda-ini riu yothe.
We've had time, sleepless nights, but today we are happy that this has come to an end and a peaceful end. We are happy for those who have assisted us in this particular issue. Whatever contributions they did, we value them and treasure them. We call for unity within the Kitiwa family. All my uncles, we pray that they come together, they start a new chapter in their lives, so that we do not have such a thing happening again, such that they live in harmony, so that the future can be bright.
Shira wa mugunda uyu ukoretwo gitwaro mogoti-ini matiganite indi andu a nyumba ino matikoretwo makiamukira itu ria gukorwa mayene mugunda uyu na kuri mwaka wa 2014 ni magerete guthika mutigaire indi igoti rikiregana na ndeto iyo.
She used to carry firewood after the death of our mother, that is 1983. She used to mobilize women from this area to bring firewood, to bring water, and I can remember our last born who is in US, that is Bula. She breastfed from our grandmother. That's the reason why we were missing our grandmother for the last 17 years. I witnessed the day our mom died. She died, our grandmother died. She died at 4 p.m. and I saw her being ferried to mortuary.
Kuringana na unduire wa ruriri rwa ikamba ni ati mutumia wa mbere afatie guthikwo mariganite na muthuri wake indi muru wa muiruwe agithii igoti-ini mwaka-ini ucio wa 2004 na kuhanda cira akiuga mugunda ucio ni wake na ndafatie guthikwo kwa undu uri igoti riarugamirie guthikwo gwake.
We seek respect. If you are the first wife, respect your husband. If you are the second wife, respect the second wife. If you are the last wife, respect the second and the first wife. And may God bless and may mom, grandmother rest in peace.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.